Stainback. I'm with Elevate Roofing. I'm here with Todd. We've been working on this house. We initially showed up. It was due to we had some damage, leak that they were trying to find out where it was coming from. We got up on the roof, found out they'd actually had a tree limb that had gone through the decking, and that's what was causing the leak. We actually found a hole that was about this big where the tree had gone through the decking. So we just took a little bit closer look, found some hail damage up there. We contacted the insurance company and were able to get her a whole new roof, and all she has to do is pay her deductible.
You contacted us, but you had explained something about you guys had a roofing contractor before. And isn't that like kind of the first call you tried to make to get your roof taken care of?
Yeah.
All right, so tell us a little bit about what that was like.
Basically, we had a leak and I noticed it, so I'm calling the company that already put the roofing in a while ago, and ironically, they're out of business. They have no credentials, they have a bad write-up, so I called my daughter and asking her about something, and she said, well, I'll call Home Advisor. So when I called Home Advisor, Todd and his people came out. They were actually the only ones who did come out, but it was explained to me that sometimes that's how it works. But ever since he came out, it's like, okay, I'm going to deal with this guy.
So Miss Victoria, it's been a pleasure getting to know you through this process. Can you kind of share with folks kind of what that's been like from the time we first met to even helping you pick out your shingle color to now it's the day that they're getting the roof actually put on?
Todd has been consistent in keeping in touch with us. Whatever he has to say, I understand. If I don't understand it and I'm hesitant, I'll call him back or text him. So his demeanor and the way he's treated our family and been consistent with keeping in touch with us, I like that.
Thank you.
So it's like we've known him. Even though it's the company he represents the company well. I would highly recommend Todd.
Well, thank you.
Elevate.